Hello class, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today we'll start with a new chapter Excel 2016 Creating Worksheets. Now, Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet software which is again developed by Microsoft. It is used to organize, maintain and record your data. You can even do calculations and represent your data graphically through this software. So let's plug in this chapter. Microsoft Excel, creating custom list, using autofill feature, moving the cell contents, formatting worksheet, autosum feature. Let's just start the chapter.
Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet software which helps us to organize and maintain data, complete calculations, and represent data in graphs. It contains data in the form of rows and columns. The rows and columns are collectively called worksheet. It organizes data in an easy manner and has some features that help us to do complex calculations. A spreadsheet file is called a workbook, which is like a notebook having many individual worksheets. Each worksheet of Excel 2016 typically has 16,384 columns and 10,48,576 rows. Excel 2016 has some basic features for all spreadsheets. Look at the given picture that shows the components of Excel 2016, Quick Access Toolbar, File tab, Name box, Active cell, Row heading, Cells, Sheet tab, Tabs, Title bar, Worksheet, Status bar, Grid lines, Scroll bars, Views of worksheets, Ribbon, Formula bar, Column heading, Zoom controls. Uses of Excel. Manipulating numbers. Microsoft Excel is best known for feeding and changing numeric data. We can use Excel to perform any kind of mathematical calculations like quickly tallying our marks in exams, calculating averages of our total marks, etc. Organize data. We can also use Microsoft Excel for organizing data. The row and column format of an Excel spreadsheet is perfect for entering many types of data we need to track. After entering the data, we can perform various sorting operations to control how the data is listed. Store data as workbook. In Excel, we can store data which we enter in it as a file called workbook. Excel 2016 workbook is stored using the .xlsx file extension. Within each workbook, we can store numerous individual worksheets to hold our data. Share data. Excel allows us to share our data with our other users. We can improve data from other sources and export data into other file formats. To share our data with others, we can also save our data as a PDF or HTML file. Creating custom list. We can create our own custom lists if we are regularly entering the same data in the same order. Just set up the list once and the fill handle will remember it for us. MS Excel provides built-in day of the week and month of the year lists. We can create our own custom list too. Following are the built-in day of the week and month of the year lists in MS Excel. Sometimes data has no natural order in it. So, we need to create a custom list and use them to sort or fill. This custom list is added to our computer's registry. So, we can also use it in other workbooks. Follow the steps to create a custom list. Step 1. Click on File tab. Click Options. Excel Options dialog box will open. Click Advanced in the left pane. Step 2. Scroll to General. Click Edit Custom List button. Custom Lists dialog box will open. Step 3. Type the list in List Entries field. Press Enter after every item in a list. Click Add button. New list will be added to Custom Lists field. Step 4. Click OK twice to close both dialog boxes. Using Autofill feature. Autofill is a very useful Excel feature. It allows us to create entire columns or rows of data which are based on the values from other cells. In other words, Excel compares the selected data and tries to guess the next values that will be inserted. Follow the steps to use Autofill feature. Step 1. Click the first cell of the series. Type January in the first cell. Step 2. Position the mouse on small black box in the lower right corner of the cell. The pointer will change from a white cross to a black cross. This black cross is known as the fill handle. Step 3. Drag the fill handle using the mouse across the range of cells. These cells will fill with the rest of the series. Release the mouse button. Autofill will complete the rest of the data entry in the series. Step 4. For example, if we drag the autofill handle across more cells, it would fill in the names of the months: February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Moving the cell contents. Cut command. Cut command is used to move text from one cell to another cell in the same worksheet or in another worksheet. Follow the steps to use the cut command. Step 1. Select the desired cell or range of cells to work in. Step 2. Click on the Home tab. Step 3. Click on the cut option present in the clipboard group. Copy command. Copy command is used when we want to duplicate the cell contents in the same worksheet or in another worksheet. Follow the steps to use the copy command. Step 1. Select the cell or range of cells to be copied. Step 2. Click on the Home tab. Step 3. Click on the Copy option in the clipboard group. Select the desired cell for the content to appear. Step 4. Click on the Paste option present in clipboard group. The selected text will appear in the new cell. Formatting worksheet. Formatting is a very important feature in Excel. It displays the worksheets in an attractive and more legible outlook. A good formatting helps us to find meaning in the spreadsheet without the trouble of going through each and every individual cell. Cells with good formatting will draw attention to the important cells automatically. We can make worksheets more presentable by applying formatting features to it. Changing the font of data. Fonts are different styles of writing. Follow the steps to change the font type. Step 1. Select the desired cell or range of cells to change the font type. Step 2. Click on Home tab. Step 3. Click on Font option from drop-down arrow present in the font group. A drop-down list will appear. Step 4. Select the desired font name from the list. The selected font style will be applied. Changing the font size of data. Follow the steps to change the font size. Step 1. Select the desired cell or range of cells to change the font size. Step 2. Click on Font Size drop-down arrow present in the font group. A drop-down list will appear. Step 3. Select the desired font size from the list. The selected font size will be applied. Bold, italic and underline data. Follow the steps to change the font style of the text. Step 1. Select the desired cell or range of cells where to change the style. Step 2. Click on the Home tab. Step 3. Click on the bold option present in the font group to make the text bolder. Step 4. Click on the italics option in the font group to make the text in italic style. Step 5. Click on the underline option in the font group to make the text underlined. Changing the alignment of data. Alignment means the way in which the data is set within the boundary of a cell. By default, Excel automatically aligns text data to the left and number data to the right. We can change horizontal and vertical alignments to improve the appearance of our worksheet data. In the Home tab, under the Alignment group, left, right, center, top, middle and bottom alignment options are present. Select the desired alignment to apply on the desired cell or range of cells to align. Merging cells. Two or more adjacent cells can be merged to create a single cell using the Merge and Center option. Follow the steps to use Merge and Center option. Step 1. Select the range of cells to be merged and center aligned. Step 2. Click on the Home tab. Step 3. Click on the Merge and Center option present in Alignment group. A list will appear having 4 sub-options: Merge and Center, Merge across, Merge cells, Unmerge cells. Select the desired option as per the requirement. Adding border. We can add borders to our worksheet cells. It will separate the data from surrounding cells. Follow the steps to add the border to the cell or range of cells. Step 1. Select the cell or range of cells to add the border to. Step 2. Click on the Home tab. Step 3. Click on the Borders option to open the drop-down arrow present in the font group. The different types of borders will appear. Step 4. Click on the desired border from the list. The selected border style will be applied. We can also change the border color. Adding a background color. Follow the steps to add a background color. Step 1. Select the cell or range of cells where to add a background color. Step 2. Click on the Home tab. Step 3. Click on the drop-down arrow of Fill Color option present in the font group. A color palette will appear. Step 4. Select the desired color from the list. The selected color will be applied to the cell or range of cells. Auto-format feature. There is a predefined list of layouts in Excel. These layouts have colored backgrounds, borders and attractive text formatting. These can be applied to a range of data. Follow the steps to add the auto-format option in the Quick Access toolbar. Step 1. Click on the Customize Quick Access toolbar button on the Quick Access toolbar. A list will appear. Step 2. Click on the More Commands option. The Excel Options dialog box will open. Step 3. Click on drop-down arrow of Choose Commands from List box and then click on All Commands from the list that appears. Step 4. Select Auto Format option from the list box. Step 5. Click on Add button to move the Auto Format option on the right side of the list box. Step 6. Click on OK. The Auto Format button will be added on the Quick Access toolbar. Applying Auto Format feature. Follow the steps to use Auto Format feature. Step 1. Select the cell or range of cells to apply auto-format. Step 2. Click on the auto-format icon on the quick access toolbar. Auto-format window will open displaying a variety of patterns. Step 3. Select the desired pattern. Step 4. Click on OK to apply the pattern. The pattern will be applied on the spreadsheet. Formatting numbers. Number formatting means changing the appearance of numbers without changing their values. Hence, when we change the appearance of a number, it will be changed in the cell, but remains same in the formula bar. Let's take a number 1 to 54566 and display it as 1,254,566.00 in a cell. Follow the steps to change the appearance of a number. Step 1. Select the cell. Step 2. Click on the Home tab. Step 3. Click on drop-down arrow of the format option present in the cells group. A drop-down list will appear. Step 4. Select the Format Cells option from the list. A Format Cells dialog box will appear from the category list. Step 5. Enter 2 in the decimal places box. It will display the number with 2 decimal places. Step 6. Click on the Use 1000 Separator checkbox to separate numbers in thousands by a comma. Step 7. Click on OK. The number will get displayed up to 2 decimal places. Date-time formatting. In MS Excel worksheet, we can display date and time in several formats. We can also change the way the date appears in the worksheet. Follow the steps to change date-time format. Step 1. Click on Home tab. Format Cells dialog box will open. Go to Number group. Step 2. Click Date or Time in the category field. Step 3. Choose the format from Type field. Step 4. Click on OK. We can use Ctrl plus Shift plus hashtag to apply date format with the day, month and year. To enter current date, press Ctrl plus. Ctrl plus Shift plus at the rate is used to apply time format with the hour and minute, and AM or PM. To enter current time, press Ctrl plus Shift plus. AutoSum feature. AutoSum feature of Excel 2016 is used to quickly find the sum of a series in a row or column. Follow the steps to use the AutoSum feature. Step 1. Enter a series of marks obtained by a student in Class 6. Step 2. To find the sum of the marks, first select the cells that contain the data, including the cell in which we want to display the sum. Step 3. Click on the Home tab. Step 4. Click on drop-down arrow of the AutoSum option box present in the editing group. Step 5. Click on Sum. The sum will appear in the desired cell. Throwback. Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet software which helps us to organize and maintain data, complete calculations, and represent data in graphs. Each worksheet of Excel 2016 typically has 16,384 columns and 10,48,576 rows. Excel 2016 has some basic features for all spreadsheets. Excel compares the selected data and tries to guess the next values that will be inserted. Like in Word 2016, undo and redo commands are present in the quick access toolbar. Formatting is a very important feature in Excel. It displays the worksheets in an attractive and more legible outlook. Number formatting means changing the appearance of numbers without changing their values. AutoSum feature of Excel 2016 is used to quickly find the sum of a series in a row or column.